Okay, now it's time for Mr. Sharad to attempt the Kethanahalli waterfalls. Kethanahalli. ಇಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕ್ಯಾತನಹಳ್ಳಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ ಸಾರಿ ಪ್ರೇಕ್ಷಕರೇ.
ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ,
Pro Mr. Sharath, pro off-roader, best off-road climb. Hello and good morning and welcome back to my channel. It's GoPro Raida again, back again with another vlog. The off-road hunters are back. This time we're going towards the Kethanahalli waterfalls. It is in the 𝗥𝗶𝗀𝗶𝗶 district, and guess what? This is my first vlog on Jack Pro, man. It's still under the break-in period, so I'll have to ride very carefully. The falls is around 70 odd kilometers from ST Mall. So boys have arrived just now and we are heading. Okay, the boys are all set and Mr. Vishnu is gonna ride pillion this time and wait with Faraz near the entry point. Whoa, look at this bus man. Oh my god! Shit!
Few inches later.
So done with yummy coffee. It was actually good for the first time. I don't know how. Be responsible.
That's what she said.
So goodbye, Chell. See you again in a few days. It's about 30 more kilometers from here, and we have a new addition, Mr. Mohsin, on his charisma. The right way to park X-Pulse, featuring Mr. Rafi. It kind of rained yesterday night. Not heavy rain, but yeah, kind of drizzled. So I'm expecting the track to be a little slushy.
Hey, that's what she said.
First time doing a trail on Jack Senior, man. Mr. Rafi and Mr. Mohsin without maps, they went up very straight. I don't know, they want to go to Hyderabad and eat biryani, I guess. I think that's their current plan. So now the official off-road starts. Sadly like a pro on Jack Senior, man. Ooh. Let's not jinx it and ride carefully. buttery smooth. The suspensions on the Himalayan, they are buttery smooth, literally. Woo. Oh shit, peacocks, man. Peacocks. Oh, a lot of peacocks. Oh. It's a wild terrain, wild effing terrain. Oh. I got scared of the sharp bushman of this bike. Experts had more ground clearance than this. Supposedly this is a leopard and bear habitat. Mr. Sharad's friend got bitten by a leopard, it seems, once upon a time. So let's hope leopard doesn't come and bite us. Not even one service has got over on Jack Senior, and I'm trying to do some almost hardcore off-roading. But yeah, it's okay, I guess, because this is the reason why I even upgraded the Oh, I think that's the clutch bonus he was talking about, dude. Oh ho ho. That would be some tricky shit to do.
ಇದೇ ತಾನೆ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದು?
ಹ್ಞೂ ಇದೇ ನೋಡಿದ್ದು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಒಂದು 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಜಿಂಗೆ ಹತ್ರ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಹುಡುಗ ನಾವು
ವಿಡಿಯೋನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
कट होगा क्या? हाँ
ಮುಂದೆ
कैसा?
ಆದಮ್ನಿ ಹಬ್ಬಿಚ್ಚು
ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
Mr. Rafi is equal to damage.
ಇರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಹಂಗೆ. ಯಾವ
ನಂದು ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ.
ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ರಫಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ನನ್ನ ತಮ್ಮ ಬಿದ್ದು
This is one hell of a clutch burner, man. Oh ho ho. I think this is 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗶𝗶 mountains. 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗶𝗏 or 𝗗𝗶𝗶𝗶𝗏, I guess. One of the famous hills. But anyways, it looks difficult to me. It is actually difficult. Mr. Rafi attempting the first descent and the climb. जा
गेम्स में लेवल 1 इसी लेवल लास्ट ये टक्कर था यहाँ उल्टा है ना
Yes, you can.
A few moments later.
It's not an easy climb whatsoever, but yeah, I'm gonna give it a try, man. On Jack Senior for the first time. एक काम करो, तुम्हें हट जा, मैं चढ़ा दो नीचे.
Keep coming.
नहीं नहीं, फर्स्ट छोड़ो, नीचे चले आओ तो.
This patch is not easy. Okay, you keep the momentum. Okay.
Whew. Okay, I'm gonna try the impossible climb, man. खोलो खोलो, लॉक माडो, मेरे लॉक माडो. हाँ, ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಇದು. ಹಾಂ,
जाओ जाओ मोई.
Yes, you can.
Come back.
Several days later.
so we're almost there. We have to just do a little bit of ಏನಿದೆ ಯಾರು ಶಿಟ್ಟು ಮೇಕೆ ಬಾ ಕುತ್ಕೋ. ಅದೇ 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 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ನಾವು. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
रुको जरा सबर करो.
ನಿಧಾನ ನಿಧಾನ. ನಿನ್ನ ಯಾಕಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹತ್ತಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು? ಇರು 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 ಇರು. Going to the tip of Kethanahalli Falls. Small trek scenes. ಲೈಮ್ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ. ಓಲಿ
ನೇರಳೆ ಬೇಕಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ. ಏನು
ನೇರಳೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು, ಮರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ.
ಅದೇನಾ?
ಹೋಗೋಣ.
Yeah, so that's it. This is Kethanahalli Falls, supposedly. क्या ना फिर शराब के साथ का पी रही है? कहते मिक्स कर लगा के
ಶರಾಬಿ
ऑफ रोड शराबी ऑफ रोडर। अच्छा है चैनल का नाम।